We're doing the 13 challenge sheet. I've already selected it down on the bottom right on the sheet tabs. I'm using a split screen with the instructions on the left and the worksheet on the right. Step 2, we need to find D4. Column D and row 4 intersect just below the heading line total. You can see up here in the top left, the name box shows that is D4. We need to enter in here a formula that multiplies B4 times C4. So we click in D4, type equals, click on B4, press Shift 8 for multiplication, and then click on C4. We can press enter or click on the tick up the top next to the formula bar, and that enters it. Next step, we're asked to copy that formula down into D5 to D7. So we click on D4, hover in the bottom right corner over the fill handle. The cursor changes to a plus. We click and drag to copy it down. We notice here that the formula has been adjusted to multiply the two cells to the left. The next step, step 4, change the value in C6 to 225. So we just click on it, and on the keypad we just go 2.25. Press enter. Step 5, go to D8, that's the total, and look at the formula at the top. It only includes D4, 5 and 6. We need to go Shift plus to add D7. So we click on D7 and that's added. We press enter. We're checking to see it looks like the picture in the instructions. It does. So we now save by clicking on the save icon at the top, or go to File and go Save.